Learning French on Duolingo Easy Steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can learn French on Duolingo in an easy step, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, learning French on Duolingo is also fairly simple because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Duolingo application here. Then as you have done that, what you need to do is you need to just come to the home page, then tap on your flag icon from the top left where you can find the plus icon that says course. Now from here it says what would you like to learn. Of course we're trying to learn French, so we will select French here and then we will tap on continue. Now it will just ask us whether you are a first time and you don't know anything about French or you already know some French. I'll just select I don't know, then I'll just tap on the continue option here and it says get ready for unit 1 lesson 1 and so on. So all I have to do is just tap on continue and follow the on-screen instructions and then just select the correct image depending upon what they say, and then I can just go ahead and tap on the check option. This way you can learn French in Duolingo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.